So, if Ole Gunnar Solskjaer is a PE teacher, what's Mikel Arteta?
One bag of gold medal pan me now.
Yep, that's me. My name is Rome, and this is the Fourth Official. Let's go.
Welcome back, people. This is your boy Rome. You're watching the Fourth Official, and this is the weekend review, baby. Let's go. So we begin the weekend with Chelsea versus Newcastle, bro. And I must say, it was an underwhelming game, guy. Like Newcastle just laid down and let Chelsea walk all over them. Battered wife type shit, bro. It was just sit there and just take your beating, bro. No sorts of fight in that team. It was rough. It was hard to watch, bro, because I really wanted Chelsea to lose. But Newcastle just, granted, Chelsea really has some good manpower. I'm not going to lie. Chelsea has some firing ballers right now. Still don't rate Timo Werner, although a lot of people, riding his coattails. But again, Chelsea has some firepower. They could do some stuff this year. But Newcastle, I just lame, bro. And then I think the next game on the list was that Aston Villa game. And jeez, bro, I didn't want to watch that game, bro. I told y'all I was going to watch the Watford game because, James Garner was playing. But they didn't start, my man, So I was like, all right, cool. I might as well watch an Aston Villa game. I'm glad I did. It was the most exciting game of the weekend, to be honest with you. It was back and forth. Aston Villa was giving it to them. Brighton was giving it back to them. They had a ton of chances, bro. That game was exciting. End to end, bro. 2-1 wasn't the right score. It should have been like 3-4. But Brighton came out winners. I'm not mad. Aston Villa is ahead of me in the table, so you guys deserve that one. Looking forward to the next game, though. But I thought it was going to be a lame-ass game, but it was pretty nice. I'm not going to lie. And then the next game, Tottenham, Manchester City. Tottenham, Manchester City. What more can you say about City, bro? I told you about them fans, bro. I told you about them plastic fans, bro. And now it looks like City players are plastic, bro. Fraudiola, bro. Fraudiola. Tottenham went over there and walked all over them. Like you would think Manchester City would come good this one time, but no. They're just a bunch of punks, bro. You know what? They asked Mourinho at the end of the game. They're like, yo, what do you think of Manchester City having 80% of the possession? Mourinho was like, well, they can take the ball. I'll take the 3 points. And that's exactly what Tottenham did. Now Tottenham is flying up top of it, bro. And then we have Manchester United. Bro, I'm going to tell you, this was me the entire game. Dead, bro. Game was boring as bro. You know what it is? Manchester United is so conservative in their play. They're so conservative. It's like Solskjaer send these men out to play, but he's so scared of his two defenders, his central defenders. They're so slow that he has, instead of having his two midfielders, which is Fred and Matic, being a little bit more assertive and creative in the midfield, Matic has to be sitting in front of the two defenders to provide cover. While Fred is the only one running around trying to make some stuff happen, and Bruno is the only creative force in the team. So Manchester United is not creating as much as we can because, granted, our front line is a little bit rusty. We have Mata on the right, who, I don't know, that's a different situation, right? But Bruno is the only one there who's supposed to be creating. That can't be the case because Matic has to be playing more defensive because you cannot trust our two defenders because they're too damn slow. Maguire, Lindelof. That is why Manchester United is playing so conservative. That's why our football is so dead boring. Don't get me wrong. Love the 3 points. Glad we got them. But we got to start playing some better football, man. I don't want to be falling asleep watching my team, bro. It don't make sense. You feel me? And you know what? Here's what I don't get, bro. Why is Juan Mata on the team? Why? You know what don't make sense? Mata playing for Manchester United on the right wing. I mean, if Noah can fit all the animals in this world on one boat, why is it that Ole Gunnar Solskjaer can't fit Van de Beek right where Mata is playing? Answer me. Someone. Don't make sense. That don't make sense. Not much more games to talk about over the weekend. Liverpool. I mean, did we expect? I expected better from Leicester. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of expected better from Leicester, but Liverpool came out guns blazing, bro. Who would have thought they would have still looked so good without so many people out? Liverpool, it looked good, but the season's gonna be a long season there. I don't think they're gonna be as good as they were last year. But after what they did to Leicester, kudos to Liverpool, bro. Still not a fan. How could I not talk about Arsenal, bro? How could you not talk about Arsenal? Bro, Leeds were all over these fuckers. Leeds were all over them. I'm talking about like the cum shot in a porn scene, bro. Mia Khalifa FC. Let's be honest though, bro. If Mikel Arteta was in America, you know what his position would be as a coach? A defensive coach, bro. A defensive coordinator is what they would call that motherfucker. This man can't have his side scored to save his life. They haven't scored a goal in what 15 games or some shit like that. An outfield goal. These guys are nasty. They forget how to score. But it is what it is, man. Mikel Arteta. Now you see why City is losing so much goals because he left, and now Arsenal are so good defensively because he's there. The man's a defensive coordinator, bro. Sad but true. All right, people. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I gotta go. The weekend review that was. Big up yourself. Stay safe. Manas.